So we've been working on the moldings on the edge here of the roof, and last night we put in a bunch of nailers, measured them up so they're down 1.25 inches, or we have 1.25 inch space here, so we put our 1 inch in here, and we'll have 1/4 inch of this edge showing right here. And we tried to get them square across, and I think we did pretty darn good. Now we got to this corner, we have to put in a spacer here, I think. I'll do some more measuring there, but for right now I wanted to start going down this side with moldings. So this morning we made a molding which I thought would probably be what we wanted. Turns out it wasn't as round. The original molding is not, it's flatter here, but I'm gonna go with what I made. It's a little more of a round molding, but it works. It's going to work anyways. And it'll be just going across this front edge here. The rest of it was all good and I had it. So it's not going to be too bad from ground level. I really don't think you're going to be able to see the difference. And if I had a sample of this, I could have matched it a little bit better, but I really didn't have it. I really wanted to make it. But I did have measurements because I knew it stuck out about this much. And so it's pretty darn close. So now I'm nailing in and screwing, and this is a very tedious process because you don't really have much to nail to because we didn't put our nailers in here yet, so you're kind of working the moldings, attaching to the moldings. So in some cases I'm using nails, siding nails, which really stick good with those ridges, and they're galvanized. And in other cases I have to use screws to pull everything in and mismatch the joints and everything, but it is, you can't really see it moving at all here, and we're gaining, so we're going to keep working across here, and then we'll have to go through and put our nailers in.